Lost, server connection failed on PC. 1. Check Dune Awakening server status. Check if the game servers are online. Wait if there is scheduled maintenance or an outage. Try reconnecting after a few minutes. 2. Restart the game. Close Dune Awakening completely. Exit Steam. Launch Steam again. Start the game and reconnect. 3. Restart your internet connection. Turn off your modem router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Turn it back on. Launch the game again. Number 4. Verify game files. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click Dune Awakening. Select Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 5. Disable VPN proxy. Turn off any VPN or proxy service. Restart the game. Try connecting to the servers again. 6. Allow the game through Windows Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow Dune, Awakening, and Steam through the firewall. Save the changes. Restart the game. Number 7. Update the game. Check for the latest update in Steam. Install any available patches. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 8. Flush DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Flush your DNS cache. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 9. Close background applications. Open Task Manager. Close browsers, downloads, VPNs, Discord overlay, and unnecessary apps. Free up network bandwidth. Restart the game. Number 10. Reset network settings. Open Windows Network Settings. Perform a network reset. Restart your PC. Reconnect to the internet. Launch Dune Awakening and test the connection. These steps can help fix Dune Awakening connection lost, server connection failed, disconnected from server, network error, and unable to connect to game servers on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs.